Now they want you to find solutions to equations. Now when you're trying to find a solution to the equation, you can use whatever numbers you want to. So when we get to graphing, we'll be making a table that looks something sort of like this. You're going to pick a value for x or a value for y and then solve your equation with that number in there. So just for fun, Christine, pick me a number out. What number should I use? 5. Do you want to put 5 in for x or 5 in for y?
X.
Okay. I'm going to put 5 in for x. So I'm going to have 5 minus 3y equals 6. That's going to be the problem I'm going to solve. How do I solve that?
Minus the 5 from the 6.
Minus the 5 from the 6, so negative 3y equals 1. Then I'm going to
Divide by 3.
divide by negative.
Oh, negative
3, right? So y is going to equal negative 1/3. So my ordered pair solution would look like this because we write it as a point. When x is 5, y is negative 1/3. Now, you can imagine there's 5 million different answers because you can pick whatever number you want to use. If you really wanted to use negative 243, you could, but that would be a lot of work. Here's what they're going to suggest you do. They're going to say, let's put 0 in for either x or for y. Why is it fun to put 0 in for something? Because I get 0. So if I do 4 times 0 minus y equals 3, that's going to be gone. And I just have to solve the equation negative y equals 3. Now if I solve that, what do I still have to do? Divide by negative 1 to get rid of that negative sign, right? Because this is negative 1y. So y equals negative 3. That's one of my millions of possible answers. Now, just for fun, if I use that same equation, and what if I put the 0 in for the y instead of the 0 in for the x? I would have 4x minus 0 equals 3, right? This would be gone, and my equation would say 4x equals 3. How do I solve that for x? Just divide by the 4. So 3/4. So when I put that one in, I would put 3/4 with 0.
And they're going to ask us to make up a number too?
Yep.
Or, okay.
You're going to just find an ordered pair that works.
Okay.
You can pick anything you want.
Okay.
When they do their explanations, they're going to use zeros just because they think 0 is easy. But you can put 5 in, you can put 1 in, whatever number you want to pick.
You just got to find the ordered pair to it.
Right.
Okay.
You just have to find one that works.
Okay.
So, number 12. Sarah, you going to give me a number? 1. 1. What do you want to put the 1 in, for the x or the y?
1.
For the y, okay? We're going to have y equals 1. So, 5x plus 1 is going to equal 8, right? I got to solve that. So to solve that, I'm going to minus the 1, 5x equals 7, and then divide by 5. So x is going to be 7/5. So my ordered pair, 7/5, goes with 1. There you go.
Okay.
All right, we're just doing those 4 things today.